Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how to design logo in Canva on different niches. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on offline market. You can go to social media pages and ask them your services. You can go to websites and ask them your services. The opportunities are limitless. So it is very premium skill, but you can easily learn it in 2 to 3 minutes. So I am in this video I am going to teach you how you can create a logo on fashion niche. So fashion niche is now very popular nowadays, so we have to work on it. So I am going to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software tool available online, and it is very handy and easy to use. It is easy to learn, and you can easily learn it in 10 to 20 minutes. If you want to know complete things about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist which is called Canva designing course, and after watching the playlist you can completely know everything about Canva. So I am click on create a design. Here I search logo. The most popular format is 500 by 500, so I click on this. If client give you size, then make logo according to that size. So fashion, so I click on fashion in elements. Let's check out. Our brand name is Almira, so it is a like shoes brand, so I think this one is good, but background color should be pink. Like we select different, so it's okay. And after that, text in which I write Almira and paste it here. After that, I would like to change we have to change the color. So that's it, our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.